So we're getting to the final apps here. This app down here that launches your web version of Microsoft Office. So you can read and manipulate and build documents here. It's a light version of it, so there's Word and there's Excel, there's PowerPoint, so you can use that. So it's really handy to have. And we're not going to need that, so we'll just close it up. We do that by doing the X here. And you notice that it's online, and you see all of our other tabs that are open. So we can just close this one individually, right there. Boom. Close that tab. And now we're just going to shrink this. Boom. So next one is after Office. It's Adobe Reader. So Adobe Acrobat Reader, and so that's why you can read PDFs. If a PDF is sent to you, it's very easy to read it here. So there's your files, and you just double click it here. And so there's your PDF. If you want to make the whole screen bigger, maximize the screen. Boom, there you go. So we don't need that, so we'll just go back here and we'll close it because we don't need it. Now when I close it, you notice there's no longer a white line under that. So last one of the two here is this little camera thing. That's a meeting function, a meeting app. So you can connect with people on Zoom and not Zoom, on this embedded software here. So we go new meeting over here. It says start an instant meeting. We can practice this because I've got a Chromebook now too. And it turns on the camera. There I am. And so it says add others, and you can enter their email, and I would get an invite, or you can simply copy and paste this information here, this link here, and text it to them or send it to them, however you want to share that link, and then we can all chat together with a video file. So that's that. And we'll close that up. And this last one here, second last one, little rocket thing that just brings you to a web page that tells you how to learn about your Chromebook. So it's got different things on, how to manage your files and organize apps. And again, I'm going to use my fingers to scroll up and down this page. Unlock your screen, you go more here, change background wallpaper. So set up a printer. And we'll talk about that too. So in case you want to learn more things here, and there's a help and what's new, so all sorts of stuff. But honestly, the internet's probably the best way to go. The last app we're going to talk about here is just a basic text editor. And all this says is if you want to write notes for yourself, it's just a basic text editor. And so if you want to make notes, you can save stuff, save as. So you can change the font size here. You do that under settings, down here under settings, and then you can go font size. You can make it smaller, like right now it's 10, so if I change it to 20, and it goes, you can see it's a lot smaller, or I can make it to really huge. I can make it 60, and it's big, and we can do all sorts of things here. Change the background, you can make it look like that, or you can make the whole thing dark, however you want to do it. And I kind of like light. That's all it is. And then if you go back here, out of settings, you can go save as, and then you can figure out again where you want to save it to, making note that Google Drive again is the internet drive. So you can save it under this here, or you could save it on that 256 gig drive. But if I click that here, I would save it. And right now, that's the name of it. You could rename it. It's a text file. So you call it whatever you want. Just type over that and go save. And I go go to save, and now it's saved. So I can close out of this. So that's your major apps. So, and you can see they're all a lot of them are still open. Let's see. The other thing I want to mention, go back to on your files, to set up a folder under your Will's, your 256 gigabyte drive. Be sure you don't click this one because it's going to make it disappear. So, so do not click that button. So if you click this, you can see you got one Android folder there. But if you bring your cursor anywhere in here and you just give it 2 finger clicks, so 2 fingers at one time, and it'll open up a menu, and you can go new folder, and you can type new folder there. It says what do you want to call a new folder, and we'll just start typing, and we'll call it Will's First folder, and then you just hit the return key, the enter key, and there it is. And so you can save stuff there, and you got a whole bunch of space.